In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Monday.com. Managing users efficiently is essential for keeping your account organized and functioning at its best. So let's dive into the process step by step, making sure everything is clear and easy to follow. To get started, you'll first need to visit Monday.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Monday.com. Once you've reached the home page, you'll find the login button in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Click on that to proceed. Now you have a couple of options to sign in. If you prefer using your Google account, click on the sign in with Google button. Alternatively, you can type the email address associated with your Monday.com account directly. If you chose the Google sign-in option, you will be prompted to select the email address you wish to use. Make sure it's the right one to ensure a smooth process. Once you've logged in, the next step is to access the user management section. To do this, locate your profile picture, often found in the top right corner, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you'll want to select Administration. This is where you will find an array of administrative tools to help you manage your account. Within the administration section, look to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Users. This will take you to the user management section. Here you'll find all the tools you need to manage your team efficiently. You have the option to filter through users using the search bar. You can also click on the filter button to sort users by their type or status, which can save you time, especially if you're dealing with a large team. Now let's say you need to deactivate a user from your account. First, locate the user you wish to deactivate. To the right of their name, you'll notice a three-dot menu. Click on this menu to reveal several options. From this menu, one of the options available is Deactivate User. Select this and the user will be deactivated from your account, and there you have it, a complete guide on how to manage users in Monday.com. By following these steps, you can ensure your team operates smoothly and your account remains well organized. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to manage your team more effectively on Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.